Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I will be making this delicious garlic chicken. So you're absolutely going to love this recipe. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I've taken two green chilies. I'm going to chop it into smaller pieces. You can just follow the same process like I'm doing it. Just follow it up. And as you can see that I've chopped it quite well. Now we will move towards garlic. I have taken two garlic cloves. It's really up to you. You can take three as well. It's like 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Now it depends on the size as well. That I'm going to take 500 grams boneless chicken and I'm going to add red chili flakes about 1 teaspoon, and with that I'm adding salt. You can add it according to your taste. With that I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, all-purpose flour, and corn flour. Both are like 1 tablespoon, and with that garlic and ginger paste and lemon juice as well. Now I'm going to mix all these ingredients quite well. Now I'm going to fry this chicken, put it into hot oil. I have preheated the oil. I'm going to place all these chickens one by one in the frying pan, and until it turns out to be brown, we are going to let it fry. And we are going to fry it on medium flame. With the help of a spoon, we are going to flip it and stir. While stirring is really compulsory because we do not want the chicken to get burned or get fried from one side but not from the other, or not really cooked well. So stirring is really important. Make a space in the middle of the pan and place chopped garlic, which we have chopped before, and let it fry. With that, we're going to add green chilies, and that's also what we have chopped before. With that, I'm adding black pepper that we have crushed before. Now we will be letting it fry and mix it quite well. It might take a little bit of time, but after that, we will be mixing all this with the chicken. Once it's fried well, then we will be mixing it with the chicken. While I'm mixing all these ingredients, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button? Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell icon, hit it, and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. So let's get back towards our recipe. Now we will be adding more ingredients in it. I'm going to set this chicken aside, and I'm going to take a 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and I'm going to add water about half cup, and I'm going to mix it with the help of a whisk, or you can also use a spoon or a fork to mix it well. So we're going to add it inside of that chicken, and now we will letting it mix well. Cover it with the help of a lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. After that, we will be adding coriander leaves. I have taken the chopped coriander leaves. You can take it as it is, like the leaves. So this recipe is ready to be eaten. Do try this recipe at home. Let me know whether you like this video or not, and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any query related to any video, just comment down in the comment section, and I would be rather happy to answer you on the first go. And do share this video with your friends and your family so they can get access to my videos as well. And thanks for watching. I will be coming with new videos. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video.